95, size 95. I don't even know what size 95 is. They all look Chinese branded, like these have all come from China. It's the same smell again, but it looks like they need washed. So that gilet there, if you want to, we'll take a look back over them again. Last box. So far I have now 15 items. Is it going to make, am I going to make my 900 quid back for 15 items? I'm not convinced. I'm genuinely not convinced. They're saying that you can make up to £1,000 of return value for a box of 5 puffer jackets, indicating that second-hand puffer jackets are 250 quid. I'm not convinced. I'm definitely not convinced. I've seen the price in North Face, and there's no way in God's green earth is someone paying £250 or £200, sorry, £200 for 5 items for a second-hand puffer jacket when I'm selling brand new puffer jackets for about 150 to 200. Okay, all right, so box 5 looks healthy so far. And again, a very small size. It's a very small size jacket. A ladies jacket again. Just going to open this up and see what size that is. Again, size 95. I think they're Chinese sizes. Because there's a lot of Chinese writing on these North Faces. Now here's a big one. Whoa, looks big. But let's have a look at the size. I'm concerned about the sizes here for the UK. I'm concerned about this. So that's a size 100. It comes with a hood. It looks pretty decent. It looks pretty decent. There it is there. Size 100. I would say that's probably about, you know, about 60 or 70 quid at the most. I bought it for 50. I'm only going to make about 20 quid, less my fees. If I do it in Vinted, I'll make a lot more money. But if I do it on eBay, forget about it. It's going to be a loss. Okay, so there's a nice one. That's quite a nice one. So we're getting a mix here from what I can see so far. There's a couple of crap ones in here, but most of them are actually in pretty good nick. They all smell the same. If I could tell you the smell, it feels like used. Suppose that's what it is. Duh. But for me to carry that on and present it to my customers, size 85, that one. So that's a small coat for a small human being, i.e. a teenage child. There's another gilet. That's 2 gilets I've had now. I'm not sure if the gilet should have been sent to me. It should have been coats. They're not puffer jackets. Maybe they are. But that gilet there, and again, it's size 100, whatever size that is. I wonder. So size 100. Let's have a look, shall we? See if it fits my fat ass. There we go.